Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Discord Halloween sound. So actually it is very easy. So first of all, of course, we need to open Discord, and here from the main page or any other page, we need to click on the user settings button just in the bottom left corner with a little gear icon. So here in the settings, we need to scroll down just a little bit until we will find notifications right here and click on it. Now in the notification settings, we need to scroll down just a little until we will find sounds section and even sound pack option right here. So expand this option and basically choose here Discord default, and basically that is how we will make the Discord default sound as main sound of Discord. So basically now you can close and check if the problem is gone or not. So basically that is it. It is how you can turn off Discord Halloween sound. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.